All right, welcome to the Parkway Pony POV first video. We're gonna see what this is like. Maybe we'll put together a little short here. Gonna ride down, go for a bike ride. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the view. It's the Parkway Pony POV view. So this morning we're gonna go for a little bike ride, so I figured I'd strap on the GoPro, see what it's like. Give me some comments, let me know if this is something you want to see more of. Maybe we'll do a little trip. Get to see what it's like to be behind the wheel of a 2008 Mustang GT. We have 206,000 miles and it's still a lot of fun to drive. The old Burger King looks like they could use some landscaping. Right next to a McDonald's, which has very minimal landscaping. Couple bushes, they're dying. So yeah, doing this POV thing. This is gonna be raw footage, so we're gonna just record it and post it. Gonna go to the Westmoreland Heritage Trail, as you may have seen in previous videos. That's where we were at last week. Little Corvette getting after it. Getting after it. Hopefully we have good visibility. I don't know if the camera's pointed in the right direction. Trying to put down this bulletproof coffee before we get there, that way I have my energy for the ride. Should be a nice morning for a ride on the trails. Not too hot yet. grips the road. it's probably going to be packed today. Debating on where we want to go, Park 1 or Park 2.